Oh my goodness. Oh, it's pink. Oh, it's pink.
I'm just gonna put this here.
What the hell?
Should I insert the clip of you drifting my car?
What the fuck did she do?
I'm sweating already.
It's really hot today and we're sitting in the car.
Mm-hmm.
We're working on the 180.
Again.
Again and again and again.
And again and again.
And my poor cars. Mr. G's watching us right now. We are doing Cristals.
Oh. My head unit. Woo! So today we are changing. I'll show the head unit after, but I didn't want to put a full CarPlay in because of my beautiful factory cup holders there. They're amazing. If I shift, they don't touch.
Wow.
So I wanted to keep that. So what I got was a single DIN that has a button where a screen will pop out. So hopefully it fits. Honestly, I really hope it fits.
It will. Just be a weird angle.
CarPlay! This was so expensive as well because it was like, well, I got it on sale during Christmas for like 800, but it was usually like 1.2 because it's the only single tin that has a flip out screen
With CarPlay, because yeah, the Z had a flip out one, but it didn't have CarPlay. Okay, so we're gonna work. We don't know how hard this is gonna be. It's hot. Watch us crash out.
for reals.
I smell like coffee.
Okay, let's
Okay.
do this.
We have to take this trim off?
I don't know.
I think so, because there's probably a screw hole behind it. I probably should have looked up 180 SX. Have you ever taken any of this off?
No, not yet.
Bruh. Take your knob off. And I think you just pull up.
This plastic fascia.
Oh.
Oh. Wow. It's just
Oh.
Oh, cool. Alright. You want to do the get job?
Can we shift there?
You want to do it? Or you want me to do it?
You can do it. I'm just gonna put this back in.
Oh, it's just like the MR2.
Oh, lol.
Oh, I'm just so worried to break it.
Yeah.
Because this ain't my car. Wow.
Wow.
I'm joking. I'm just gonna put this here.
What the hell?
Yeah, keep going. Keep going.
Wait, I think this box will come out.
Yeah. Nice. Because it's all connected.
Wait, careful, my fingers like close.
Oh, you're almost out on this side. Yeah, lift it up a bit. Does that come out? Oh, careful. Okay. What the hurly? Okay, so that is how this is mounted, that means. So hopefully we can use this mounting bracket for your new one. Cool. Cool. Now let's look at the mess of harness.
Kinda stuck.
Oh, it's not bad. We can just unplug it and then we'll sort it out. Okay, so we'll unplug it and then we'll figure out from there what wires we can use. So the only thing connected was this plug. So this black one. Ugh. So I don't want to lose that. I don't know what that was. What was that? That was, I think, power. So power is this black, yeah. And then this. Actually, the wires aren't that messy. Shockingly.
Does anyone want a Kenwood single DIN, guys?
So you can see they've spliced your old one.
Hang on, do I need to get a...
Well, does your new one come with a...
I don't know, we haven't opened it.
We'll have a look. Are you guys ready? It's gonna be really nice. And then I can have my phone mount back that you broke. Jokes. Oh look, you're missing a screw.
Oh, from my AC, what the hell?
What the hell? Wow.
Wow.
You can hold it?
Yeah.
What brand is it? Does it come with a mounting
I don't know.
plate?
No.
Okay, so we're gonna have to, this is like what with, remember my silver Lexus? I had to mount it with another bracket.
Yeah. I'll check everything out. So we didn't have a dimmer illuminator. You know what's so funny is because it glows pink, but I guess it glows pink all the time, my old one. We couldn't find the illumination wire.
Connected to the Kenwood.
Yeah, so we got the factory harness and we cut off the one that we hopefully is the dimmer.
Yeah, but
orange
it's
and
quite
white.
short.
It's
So,
okay.
well, that's plenty of room to connect it
Yeah.
in here. It just means we'll have to tug it a bit. So this, all the ones tied up here are who we don't want.
Okay.
So we can just...
Do you want to put a piece of...
Do you want to take your battery off?
Oh.
Because we're going to be touching power and
Yeah.
cut some power.
Okay, we're gonna put the battery.
We're going to be safe. Yeah.
Okay, with dark blue was the power antenna.
Yeah, cool. So you don't want blue. So just grab these. You should have...
Well, I'll just cut them.
Okay.
We're not
I
going
don't
back.
want to lose them.
We're not going back.
Okay, I just don't want to lose
I'll just
okay.
I'll just cut them long, no?
Yeah.
I'll just cut them here.
I just don't want to lose them back, so don't lose them.
Okay,
Yeah.
ready?
Yeah.
I'll just give a few centimeters cut.
Okay, yellow, red, black, greens, purples. Cool. And we'll come back to the greys later.
But then we could get this whole thing out of the way if we just cut
Okay.
them.
Because we'll just cut back later anyway. Cool. Grey, two white, and then we need to remember the orange friend. Yeah. Cool. Nice.
Isn't this fucking good one?
So we don't need blue, blue's powering down. Okay. Alright. So where's your tool? She's gonna do it. We're gonna solder later.
Yeah.
Don't tell them that.
It's in my way.
It's not. We don't have that many left. There's only like 6 to do. Alright. So guys, for the past...
Okay.
Okay, cool. The past while that we've been... do you want to tape it?
Just cut me off some. Where's it? Here.
What have we been doing? Nothing.
Nothing.
We hung out like...
We haven't even seen each other that much.
Yeah, not much. I got a
You
new
started
job.
a job, yeah.
I have 2 jobs at the moment, so I've been busy. And my job at the moment, like the one I newly started, this is where Cristal lives, this is where I live, and it is down here, so it's the opposite way to Cristal.
Yeah.
But I have a really good time. I start at 7, I finish at 3.
And my job has gotten so demanding because
Really?
next week
Yeah.
I get to know if I get promoted to senior.
Ooh! Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
I don't think we've ever spoken about our
Jobs.
real job.
I'm a graphic designer.
And I am a software engineer.
Right?
But, yeah. But, our real job, our dream job is YouTube.
my boss asked me, Cristal, what do you want to be when you're older? I was
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a creative director at this company.
No, you don't. You want to be a YouTuber.
No.
I want to be full-time YouTube. Where Cristal and
That
I
means we have to grind.
Yeah,
2026, guys, we're gonna be consistent.
it is 2026. We have not been consistent.
Okay, we're starting off slow. Okay, what the fuck did she do? Can you even see that? You can't even see that. She just mangled these goddamn wires. What the fuck?
Yeah. Guys, our dream. Okay, I've mentioned it. I don't think Cristal actually thinks this is our dream. This is my dream for us.
Oh,
We
God.
buy a property.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
I thought you were gonna say something else.
We get married.
No.
We buy a property like this. This is our property. But we build 3 buildings.
Yeah.
One is Cristal's house, one is my house. And then one is our big shed. And then we can just film all day, every day.
Yeah.
24/7.
Yeah.
And then in these 2 houses, we actually merge our 2 houses so we sleep in the same bed.
Should I insert the clip of you drifting my car?
Yeah.
Skidding it?
It was really bad.
It
it
wasn't
was
bad.
like my second time
It wasn't
driving the
bad.
car.
Oh, I did that really shit.
Oh. It was like my second time driving the car. And I just was scared. It wasn't very
That's
good.
pretty epic. What
No,
are
it
you talking
wasn't.
about? So we are down to our last few. Fingers crossed.
4.
Oh.
And then, you know what we're gonna do? Cry. Which one are you doing first?
Oh, here.
White? Full white?
Full white.
Okay. Did you tape the rest yet? And then, you guys know what we're gonna do? Cry.
Why are we crying?
This
This is the easiest job, bro. We're just sitting and wiring compared to lifting the car, taking the wheels off, and
Yeah.
I really like the lights that your dad did in your garage.
Oh my god, it's beautiful. We need to
Yeah.
put the 180 Nemo2 in for picture.
Yes.
When you come over next week.
Yeah.
Oh, he's getting the floor redone. He's doing epoxy.
Whoa.
Epoxy either white or like grey or something. I don't know.
Ooh, that's gonna be nice.
Which means we can do as many oil spills in there because it won't stain
Oh,
the
that's
floor.
so
Because you know the one that it is now, the yellow?
Yeah.
That's epoxy.
Oh, and wasn't he really particular?
No, he's particular about the actual tiles outside.
Oh.
The inside in the garage you can put anything on because it's just epoxy. Just wipe it off.
Okay, white's done.
What other white? This one.
White and black.
And then
Grey.
grays, and then we'll plug in the power and we won't like mount it. I think an issue we might have is mounting. Okay. All right, Crystal. Go put the battery back on.
Oh.
I
Burp.
leave it. Burp.
Can you double check that we've done all of them?
Yeah. Oxygen. Okay. Okay. USB. Thank you. You'll be doing the honors of plugging the plug-in, but I just want to get all this on so we remember that we need to put it on. Guys, we might be here.
We might be here. I think we are here.
Wait, really?
Maybe I need
Guys, hold, please. Crystal, please work. For the love of everybody. I did not.
Hey, I think my car keys are in the back seat.
Ray,
But they're right there. I see them.
I see them.
Is it a neutral?
Wait a second. You don't need to turn the car on, just put it in accessories.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, it's pink!
Oh, it's pink.
Oh my god!
No. That's sick.
That's sick. Okay, I want to take a picture.
But I don't like how it came out automatically.
Yeah,
Yeah. What if I had my cup holders out?
True.
I guess no. It stops. I'm pretty sure.
I want to take a picture. Look at us, Cristal.
You. Should we?
You can probably change it in the settings. To the touchscreen. It might not have touchscreen. I don't think the remote's connected. Oh no, it's good, it's good.
Oh.
Let's go press a bit harder. Speaker mode, standard mode, or do not use the unit in standard mode when a speaker system for network mode is connected. No, we don't have network mode. AV. She just connected to some random ass speaker and started playing music, and then a kid started crying.
Why is it? Just plug your phone.
You would be in
Oh, your thing works. Oh. Should I get the app?
Yeah, it's sound like it's in the back.
It's working. That's so
Oh my
good.
god. You're gonna want to probably.
What is memo?
Oh, original. Demo mode off. Sounds working. Auto flap.
Oh, yeah,
I reckon turn your car off. Does it go down automatically?
Oh, wait, maybe that's the setting you turned off. Because it should.
Oh, true. But then you don't want it automatically coming
I don't
up.
want it automatically coming up, so how do we...
Drive safely.
Just a bit slow. Yeah, just turn it down. Yeah. Hey, how do you finish? Crossover. Ah!
Oh. Guys, we did it!
Sorry about that. We've touched all the settings. Do you want to turn the music off maybe? Sound is really good. And her back speakers work
Yeah,
now.
they weren't working before. I don't know why.
Amazing. That means we can take this to get food so we can listen to the doof system.
Heck yeah!
And here it is working. We made it pink. It did just hit the knob because mine. Nice.
so
It has
epic.
CarPlay too, but
Yeah.
oh, it might not.
Charlotte is doing some DIY stuff for the mounting. We've bent the.
It doesn't come with a mounting.
Yeah, it didn't come with a mounting bracket.
And crying. But I might be able to get something working. It might just not be the cleanest. It might be the wrong angle. But I think. Oh,
I got you.
no, I got it. Oh. Okay, I think we might be able to get it. Flatten this boy out. Alright, Crystal. What we're gonna do next? Let's just try put it in.
I see where the cup holders go again.
Yeah, it's like they don't. Oh fuck, this one's too long.
But they're the same.
Nah, it's hitting something.
Oh.
Look, I don't want to break anything.
Drive safely.